Samsung's next major software update might be coming sooner than we expected. One UI 8 has shown up again, and this time, it's running on a Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's right, while the rollout of One UI 7 was pretty slow and left a lot of users frustrated, it looks like Samsung is trying to speed things up with One UI 8, which is based on Android 16. Let's rewind for a second. After months of delays, Samsung finally rolled out the stable One UI 7 update to older supported devices like the Galaxy S24 series and the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But that delay didn't sit well with fans. People were upset, and honestly, they had a good reason. Devices that should have received the update earlier were left waiting, and Samsung's reputation took a bit of a hit because of that. Now it seems Samsung is determined not to make the same mistake again. Reports suggest that the company is pushing ahead with development and testing for One UI 8. And here's where things get interesting. Internal testing builds of the new software have already been spotted on Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup, the Galaxy S25 series. Just a few days ago, a Galaxy S25 device running One UI 8 was seen in the wild. This particular phone was the global version, with model number SMS931B. And now, tipster at TrumVets33 has revealed another sighting. This time, it's the South Korean version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with model number SMS938 and also running One UI 8.0. According to the leak, the software build carries firmware version S938 NKFCU2 Line D sticks. If we look at the version number and the naming format Samsung typically uses, this strongly points to it being a test build of One UI 8. Normally, the Galaxy S25 series comes with One UI 7.0 out of the box based on Android 15. So seeing these early builds of One UI 8 on S25 devices means Samsung has officially begun internal testing across multiple regions. This clearly shows that Samsung isn't just testing One UI 8 in isolation, it's scaling up its efforts and expanding the testing to more devices and more regions. That's a big deal. It means development is progressing fast and Samsung may be aiming for a quicker rollout than what we saw with One UI 7. But what makes this even more exciting is the recent rumor that Samsung could be planning to launch its next-generation foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, with One UI 8 pre-installed. Originally, these devices were expected to come with One UI 7, just like the Galaxy S25 lineup. But if Samsung wants to regain user trust and avoid more backlash, launching One UI 8 with these foldables could be the perfect move. This also lines up with the broader strategy we're starting to see. Samsung wants to streamline its updates and get ahead of delays that frustrated users last time. And if testing on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is already happening this early, we might actually see One UI 8 make its debut sooner than expected. Now for context today, April 10 is the official date when Samsung finally rolled out the stable version of One UI 7 in the US. Users in other countries started receiving the update earlier, around April 7. But again, that delay caused a lot of people to question Samsung's rollout strategy. So this early glimpse of One UI 8 running on Samsung's flagship phones might be a sign that things are changing for the better. If they can stick to a tighter schedule and bring the update to more users more quickly, it would definitely help repair some of that lost trust and get fans excited again. Of course, we still don't have an official launch date for One UI 8, and Samsung hasn't confirmed anything publicly yet. But with testing underway and rumors pointing to a much faster release timeline, possibly aligning with the foldables launch, it's something to keep an eye on. So to sum it all up, One UI 8 is real. It's being tested on the Galaxy S25 series, including the Ultra model, and all signs point to Samsung trying to avoid the mess they created with One UI 7. Whether it ends up launching with the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 or rolls out shortly after, one thing's clear. Samsung is moving faster this time, and that's good news for Galaxy fans everywhere.